What's going on, everybody? Gino coming at you again with another video, and today we are doing another Honda Civic cheap build project thing. So today we're going to be installing these clear side markers. They do have smoked side markers, and there's the amber factory ones, but these are LED clear ones. I think, in my opinion, they're one of the better looking ones. So I'm going to show you guys how to install it. So you can actually install these without jacking up the car. All you have to do is cut the wheel in whatever direction the amber light is open. And what you need to do first is just loosen up these 12 millimeter. Yeah, no, we don't need 10s or 12s. We're not working on that kind of part on a Honda. We just need a Phillips head screwdriver for each of these bolts right here, just to move this fender cover out of the way, and then I'll show you what to do next. Now that you unscrewed those 3 screws, you can pull back this plastic trim cover, and there's a little clip right there. All you do is push that in and it pops right out. So after you pop it out, there's just one light bulb, and obviously you need to just unscrew that, so I'm going to do that really quick. After you take off the side marker, you have these LED bulbs, so you have to pop that bulb out. All you have to do is pull on it and it should pop right off, and then you slide in this new LED one, and then I'll show you how to reinstall the side marker. So now that you have the new bulb in and you twisted it on, all you have to do is put it back into place it was before. The first clip you have to get in, there's a back clip back there. Once you get that in, the middle one should pop in. And then once you get the middle one to pop in, the last one should just pop right in. There you go. Oh, no, you have to do it until you hear a click. So yeah, I was able to get it in, and this is the final product. You can see the LED light bulb in there. I'll show you a light comparison in a second. I'm just gonna bolt these Phillips screws back in, and then I'll show you a little comparison. So yeah, this is like the final result, and I think it looks perfect. These are actually full bulbs. They're like resistors. So I could have put the original bulbs back there, but they're like yellow or whatever, so I think it would look weird. Obviously, I'll replace those with LEDs. I think these are just like resistors, just so it doesn't like short out. It's giving 12 volts to that power source, and so it's like a 12 volt source that's not going anywhere. I think those are just there to so something's plugged in, and I think it looks great over the smoked ones because it matches with the headlight and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'll show you when I'm done. So yeah, this is the final look at it, and I think it looks pretty good. I don't know how it is with the red accents though, or at least just the red accents on the mirror. I might take those off, I'm not sure. The front ones are right, but the ones on the mirrors are eh. But yeah, I would be doing more, except the weather, as you can see in the background, isn't really good right now. That's what I get for living in Rhode Island. What happened to spring showers wait, what is it? April showers bring May flowers, and it's May and it's still raining every 5 seconds. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and I will be posting more. Thanks for everyone for watching. Thank you.